In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Freebie form in Kit. We're going to walk through the full process of setting up a simple, professional-looking form that delivers a free resource automatically to your subscribers. By the end, you'll have a fully working Freebie funnel that you can use on your website or even without a website. First, let's create the form itself. Inside your Kit account, head over to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your opt-in forms live. Look for the button that says Create New and select Form. Kit will now ask you to choose a display format. This is basically how and where your form will appear. If you want the form to sit inside a blog post or on a page, choose Inline. If you'd like it to pop up over your content, choose Modal. Pick the option that best matches how you want visitors to see your offer. Next, you'll choose a template. Go with a clean, simple design so your headline and freebie stand out. Templates like Claire or Mills are great starting points, but you can choose any style that fits your brand. Remember, you can customize it later, so don't overthink this part. Once the template is loaded, it's time to customize your fields. By default, you'll usually see an email field. To collect a first name as well, click the plus icon to add a first name field, then drag that new field above the email field. This keeps things clear and lets you personalize future emails with their name, which can improve engagement. With the form layout ready, let's attach your freebie. At the top of the form builder, click on Settings. In the left sidebar, select the Incentive tab. This is where you control what happens after someone signs up. Make sure the option to send an incentive email is checked. This email is what delivers the freebie and can also act as a confirmation step, depending on your settings. Under the section that says, after confirming redirect to, choose Download. This tells Kit to send people straight to a downloadable file once they confirm. Now click. Choose a file and upload the actual freebie you're promising, like a PDF, a guide, or a resource. Give it a clear file name so you can recognize it later. Next, click Edit, Email, Contents. Here you can tweak the confirmation or incentive email. One helpful change is updating the button text to something more specific, like Download My Freebie. This makes it obvious what happens when they click and reinforces the value they're getting. Once you're happy with the incentive settings and email wording, click Save in the Settings window. After that, look to the top right of the screen and click Publish. Publishing makes your form live and ready to collect subscribers. After publishing, Kit will give you a piece of JavaScript code. If you have a website, copy this code and paste it into the page where you want the form to appear, following your site platform's instructions for adding code. If you don't have a website, you can instead use the share link that Kit provides. This creates a hosted page for your form that you can share directly on social media, in your bio, or anywhere else you promote your freebie. And that's it. You've created a freebie form in Kit, attached your downloadable resource, and taken it live so you can start growing your email list.